we've just landed in New Zealand. We're gonna go and get the car now. Yay! We've just arrived at the car. Pretty big. Pretty big. I'm not gonna run, it's too much. Tourist hostel, and there's like beautiful grounds here. We're just off to the beach now.
Driving to the beach right now, and this is the view we're about to have. Woo!
We decided to go on a run to get over our jet lag. This is what happened.
So it started off as a nice trail run, little run through the middle of nowhere with like bushes either side, full of trees, and then this happened. Can you see how steep the hill is? It is ridiculous. It was like hill after hill after hill. But we did it, and it definitely helped the jet lag.
It is just before 7 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep because I have jet lag, so instead I'm going to a bakery to pick up some goodies for later. It's pretty windy at the moment. There is a storm coming up to Auckland. So I went to a place called The Unbakery, and they've got raw vegan stuff there, and I've got these for the girls. So there is a ginger slice, a brownie and a caramel slice. We're on the way to the Bay of Islands and we've stopped specially to see some toilets. Today we're getting the ferry over to Russell from Paihia. We're about to get on the boat now. On Russell, and it is beautiful. We're walking down the beach to Long Coast Beach, I think it's called, and the view is amazing. From the Bay of Islands to Waiheke Island, and we've just stopped here for a little break, and it's beautiful. Look at that view. Such a beautiful place.
It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Way-oh, 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 way-oh. Christian from the Western, my dance floor date. My Romeo, Romeo, cowboy guy from head to toe. Wanna make you mine, better get in line. 5, 6, 7, 8. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You old boys can't deny. When the girl walks in at an itty bitty waist and the right thing in your face, you get sprung. I had you to myself. I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in the crowd.
We're about to get on the ferry to Waiheke. There it is. There it is. Exciting times.
Hi. You got this, Megan.
Got this. I'm glad I'm not the first to go on. Can you imagine? You want me to do what? What is Queen! Sorted!
Alright, Joe?
On the ferry. We did not land in the sea, we're on the ferry. We can have a ferry picnic. Oh. Are you excited, Joe? Are you excited? We're excited. Oh, what a move. What a move. Oh man. Very cool. We're adventurous. So we're actually really close to the winery that I want to go to, but we would have to illegally cut through someone's field. So we're currently on the way to a vineyard to do some wine tasting this afternoon. Burnt my nose. I burnt my nose running. We've landed. We have wine. We're about to be shown how to drink it properly. Today is our last morning in Waiheke. We've been here for a couple of nights now, just going down to a little picnic bench overlooking the sea, and we're going kayaking later. Hey Jolie, what you doing? Nice. Kayaking, we're ready to go. Joe has the most hilarious hat on. Out kayaking. Hi. So cool here. Our kayaking now, and we're going for a little swim.
Hello!
Oh, it's so beautiful here. Way out to a lookout point, and we've just stopped off at this beautiful view here. Look at that. We've made it to the lookout area, and there's views over the sea, there's greenery, there's everything. We're back in Auckland! In the middle of nowhere near Hamilton, and we're about to go out for a morning run. Woo! Somewhat warmer than we were expecting, and the cat and the dog on the farm met us after, and Joe and Jolie were just off to get some eggs. This morning we've come to Waitomo to do some glowworm caves. We can't video it there, but apparently we're having photos taken, and we're going to have our wetsuits on and go down to the caves now. They're going to be nice. Jolie went first. She's going. 3, 2, 1. Early this morning, and we're going to go milk the cows. Come out on a trek somewhere. Where are we? Sanctuary Mountain that is Maungatari. We're going to see lots of wildlife and
Kiwis!
Probably not a kiwi. The enclosure, and it's like a jungle. We're going up into a tree house. Ooh. Oh, we're up with nature. Look at the birdies. We've got a picnic. Soz, mate. Oh shit, you've seen my food. Don't come towards us! No, please, I'm scared. No. No. god, it's coming back! It's actually... We're being chased by a parrot. Been chased out of the treehouse by a parrot. It came after our fruit, but we'd eaten all the fruit, so it was just like pecking at the peel. And then when it realised that we'd eaten it all, it came for us. We're currently waiting for a minibus to come and pick us up for an evening of Maori experience.
Horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Woo! 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 Horn on the bus goes woo! All day long. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye.
We've come out to a Waitapu Scenic Reserve, and they're bubbling mud pools that are just outside Rotorua. We're off to some thermal pools, and it's pretty wet already here. Thermal pools, it is lovely and warm. We're currently in Ohakuni, which is on our way from Lake Taupo to Wellington, and they're famous for carrots here. So there's a playground that's got a massive carrot by it, and then loads of other vegetables around it. This is the massive carrot here, and it's got a backdrop of the mountains because it's like near the Alpine crossing here. Found some swings! The hostel here has a jacuzzi. Oh, I just need to turn the bubble on somehow.
There's some buttons behind you.
Oh,
Oh,
here we go! Rainbow! Today the sun is out, so we're doing a walk up to the viaduct, having a picnic, and then coming back again. Such beautiful views. Picnicking with the sounds of nature and with a view of the viaduct. So where are we not? At Wellington for the day, and it is beautiful. We're going up Mount Victoria. It's quite steep and it's quite hot. To the top of Mount Victoria. It's so beautiful. There's like a sea on both sides, there's amazing views, and it's super sunny. So we've come to get cake after going up the mountain. Look what we've got. So it is our last night all together in North Island of New Zealand, and we're off to the beach to drink moe. Here's to a lovely holiday.